Today we are going to learn the chapter Geometric Progression. And this chapter you are going to learn finding the general term, finding some of its first terms, and simple applications. Let us see how geometric progression series will be. So if you take a sequence A1, comma A2, comma A3, comma so on, comma AN is called a geometric progression. Okay, and it is denoted by GP, denoted as GP means geometric progression. And in arithmetic progression, we have seen the A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on are in AP.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the first term of that arithmetic progression? First term is A. Here also the first term is A. Okay, in geometric progression. And let us see what is the common difference. Here in geometric progression we have a common ratio. In arithmetic progressions we have common difference. So how will find the common ratio for this? A2 by
Dividing.
A1. How will write the ratio? Yeah, the second term by the first term, the third term by the second term. Okay,
Okay.
right? By the fourth term by the third term.
Third.
So on it goes, and you can write as the nth term. And what is the previous term of an?
A
A
N
minus.
Very
N
good, very good, Dheeraj. An minus 1. So this is nothing but a constant. So we can write it as the constant ratio is called the common ratio. And it is denoted by the letter R. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So it is denoted by the letter R. Let me write down. So in a GP, GP means what?
Geometric progression.
Geometric.
Okay, okay. We shall denote. We shall denote the first term by A, okay, and a common
Ratio.
ratio by
R.
R, and the nth term. Like AP, you have the nth term also. So what is the nth term of by
N.
Tn? Okay,
Okay.
or we call it as or the general term. General term. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us take one example. Example 1, to find the common ratio of the given series, which is in AP. 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 comma 48 comma so on is a GP. The problem, in the problem it is given is a GP. Now can you tell me the first term of this example 1? What,
3 is the first term.
Shivani, you tell me what is the first term?
3, sir.
So A is equal to 3. Okay, Snigdha, tell me how to find the common ratio R.
Sir, 6 by 3 is equals to uh,
12, 12
12 by 6.
is
Then
equal to
24 by 12. Then 48 by 24.
like that. So in all the cases, what you will get 2?
Yes,
Two.
sir. 2.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
in all the
Yes.
cases you are getting 2. See 12, 12 times 1, 12 times,
2.
sorry, here I have to write 24.
24.
Okay. So in all the cases you will get 2, which is a constant.
Constant.
So this is how you need to find the common ratio for the given series which is in AP, which is in GP. So let us see example 2. Minus 5 comma 10 comma minus 20 comma 40 comma minus 80 comma so on is a GP.
R is equals to minus 2. A is equals to minus 4.
Okay. Tejasvi, Tejaswini, tell me what is the first term?
Minus 5, sir.
Minus 5. Dheeraj, tell me the common ratio.
10 by
R, common ratio R is equal to 10,
10 by minus 5,
uh,
minus 20 by 10,
okay,
40 by minus 20,
okay.
minus 80 by 40,
In all the cases, what is the common ratio? Are you getting
minus
the
2, sir.
minus?
2.
Minus 2. Very good.
Yes.
Which is a constant.
Constant.
So if any series is given and told that it is a GP, the first term is always A. And the common ratio you need to find T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2 is equal to T4 by T3. At least you need to check 3 common ratios. Okay. If
Okay,
they
sir.
are same, then the given series is a GP.
Easy.
Note down. So let us find the general term of a GP. Okay. Before going to the general term of a GP, let us see how we have written the nth term which is in AP for AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on, A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the nth term of an AP. For geometric progression, we can write it as A.
A plus n minus 1 into R.
We are coming. We will prove it. First, let us write the series. A r to the power 0, we have to multiply. As you said, A r power 1, A r square, A r cube, so on. We need to find the nth term. So to find the nth term, how we can find it? Let us prove it. So let us prove that the nth term is A into R to the power n minus 1. So let us consider a geometric progression with the first term as A and the common ratio as R. We need to show that its nth term is given by Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. So to prove that Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1, let us consider a GP with first term as A and common ratio as R. Then how will be the series? Then the geometrical progression is. Can I write the first term as A, second time as AR?
Yes. So,
Shivani, you are
yeah.
getting, I am getting disturbance from you. Mute it. AR square AR to the
ARQ.
power 3, so on, right?
AR power n minus.
So let us write. Let us see. In this geometric progression, we have first term. First term is T1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Snigdha, tell me. First term is A. How can I
Yes.
write the first term as? Can I write the first term as A into R to the power 0?
Yes, sir.
R to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So
Yes, sir.
A into 1 is 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let us see the second term. T2. Second term is what, Dheeraj?
AR.
AR. Right. AR means AR to the power 1.
Yes.
Right. Let us write the third term. Shivani.
AR square.
AR square.
Square.
So AR to the power 2.
2.
Okay, already
Yes,
written. So again we
yes.
will write. Don't worry. Write again. Mute your audio, Shivani.
Okay.
Fourth term.
T4 is equals to AR cube.
ARQ. Okay. Midnight. ARQ. Now, by seeing this, can I write AR to the power 1 minus 1? Can
Yes,
I
sir.
write
Yes,
AR to the
sir.
power 2 minus 1?
Minus 1.
AR to the power 3 minus 2?
2, sir.
3
3 1.
minus 3 minus 1. AR to the power 4 minus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Can I write? Okay. Thank you. So what I get? So on. So on.
TN is equals to AN is equals to AR n minus 1.
AR power n minus 1.
So nth term, what I will get? Nth term Tn is equal to AR to the power
N
n
minus.
minus 1. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Had we proved it?
Yes, sir.
So hence its nth term is given by Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. Hence proved. Note down the problem. So show that the progression 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 comma 48 is a GP. Write the first term, common ratio, nth term and 10th term. So first let us see whether the given series is in geometric progression or not. For that first we need to find the common ratio. If the common ratio is same, then the given numbers form a geometrical progression. So let us see. So we will write the given terms are 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 comma
40.
48 comma so on. So we will find the common ratio R 6 upon 3, 12 upon 6, 24 upon 12 and 48 upon 24, which will give you
2.
2, which is a constant. So we got R is equal to 2. So now let us write it as, so the given numbers form a GP. Without confirming this, we cannot find the nth term and the 10th term. Where if the series is not an GP, geometrical progression, how can you find nth and 10th term? Right? So let us see the first one. What is the first term?
A.
What is the
3.
first term? A.
Three.
A is equal to 3. So what is the second one? What is the common ratio?
R
Two.
is equal to 2.
R is equal to 2. Let us find the nth term. Click the nth term. Formula Tn is equal to
AR n minus 1.
no AR power n minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Why you are pronounce it properly? AR to the power n minus 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is A? How much is A? 3
3.
into R is 2. 2 to the
Yes, sir.
power n minus 1. Right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? This is the third one. This is the third one. Now let us find the fourth one. Let us find the fourth one. What is fourth one? You have to find the 10th term. Dheeraj, 10th
sir.
term means n is equal to 10.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. So T10 is equal to what is, how much is A?
And
2. How much is A? Sorry, A is 3. R is 2. 2 to the power 10 minus 1. So what you will get? 3 into 2 power
to
9.
the power 9.
How much is the 2 power 9? 2 power 10 is 1024. 2 power 9 is 512. So 3 into 512 is 1536. So therefore the 10th term is 1536. This is how you need to solve the problem. If nth term is asked, you need to write the formula Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. And if you want, if they ask to find the 10th term or 11th term or 100th term, you have to assume that n value is the term. So n is equal to 10 here, 10th term. Substitute n value A and R, you will get the answer.